A graphic of the Perkins logo swoops across the screen, revealing a chapter heading. Moving from models to graphics.
The most important piece is that the reader learn that whatever this graphic presentation is represents a certain amount of information. It represents certain content, so it has certain meaning. And once they learn that this is also part of the information that's coming from their book, they're going to be able to interpret the things that they go through. Graphics is something that we have to teach kids to do. Sighted kids are used to interpreting the visual environment. Braille readers don't get to do that very much. And so we have to deliberately teach Braille readers how to interpret those symbols and how to put them together and have meaning for them.
In a video clip, a young woman and a teacher are exploring a large tactile map of North America. Together they trace the outlines of the Great Lakes and the St. Lawrence River.
An example would be a ball. If you take a ball for a Braille reader, you can put both hands around a ball. It has depth and it has an overall shape. If we're going to put that on paper, that's going to end up being what we call a circle. And so that circle is actually a symbol for that sphere in that particular instance. Sometimes a circle is just a circle, and it doesn't necessarily mean a ball. But learning that this, for right now, in this situation, is the symbol for that ball, is something that we have to actually teach students. And whether it's a solid circle or whether it's an outline-shaped circle may be perceived real differently by the student. But knowing that those are different ways that we write the symbol that means ball. So starting with very simple concepts and going from the three-dimensional to the two-dimensional is part of the instructional process for teaching kids to do that interpretation of abstract stuff.
Fade to black.